Good morning, student. This is Shashi here, and I welcome all of you on this online platform. So earlier we have solved this. We have seen this example, all the concept with examples. Now today we are going to deal with the exercise problems. Okay, so today we are going to solve the exercise related to this concept. So this is your exercise 2A. Now today deal with these questions. So I'm going to start with the first question. Okay. So these two questions are easy. You can solve. I'm going to tell you this third question. Okay. What is given here? 4 by 3 to the power minus 3. Yesterday only I have told you the laws related to this type of problem, that whenever there will be minus sign in the exponent, we have to make it first plus. So how will make it plus? By bringing the numerator into the denominator. So this 4 will bring into the denominator and this 3 will come into the numerator, and this exponent minus 3 will become plus 3. Are you getting it? So we have got 3 by 4 to the power 3. Okay, so this type of questions earlier we have discussed. 3 by 4 to the power 3 means what? 3 by 4, we have to multiply how many times? Exponent is 3, so we'll multiply 3 times. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Got it? Now, so what we'll get here? 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. Now 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 16 4, 64. So overall the answer will get 27 by 64. Is it clear to you? I hope so. Now let's come to this question. Question number 5th. Question number 1, 5th part. Minus 2 by 3 and its exponent is minus 5. So how will solve this question? So this is your question. Minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, so how we'll solve this part? So you can see here minus sign is there in the exponent. So our first step is, what is our first step? This minus sign we have to make it plus. How will make it plus? By reciprocating. We'll bring this numerator into this denominator into numerator and this numerator into denominator. So what we have to do? This 3 will go into numerator and minus 2 will come into denominator. Now this minus 5 will become plus 5. Now solve the next part. So 3 by minus 2 to the power 5. So what we have to do? Exponent is 5, so we'll multiply 5 times. 3 by minus 2 into 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 3 by minus 2. So finally what answer we'll get? Let's see here. Okay, so first of all we'll multiply all the numerators. 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 81 into 3, 243. Now in the denominator, minus 2 into minus 2, how much you'll get? Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus 8 into 2 minus 2 plus 16, plus 16 into minus 2, how much you'll get? Minus 32. This part already you have learned how to multiply minus and plus in class 6 also, as well as in class 7. So this is your answer finally, 243 by minus 32. I hope this is clear to you. Now next we should move to the next question. Second part. The second part, first question. We'll solve this second part, first question. So what is your question given here? 5. So this is given here 5 by 3 to the power 2 into 5 by 3 to the power 2. Now you can see here, this is in the same form whatever we have discussed the first day. This can be treated as 5 can be treated as a, and this 3 can be treated as b, and this one can be treated exponent m. So a by b to the power m. It is in the same form. Again a by b to the power n. So what we have seen, that when there will be a multiplication and it will be in the form of a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n, then exponents are being added. Earlier we have seen, so same thing will do. 5 by 3 to the power, what is our exponent? 2 and 2. So both the exponent will be added here because here multiplication sign is there. So 2 plus 2 will get here in the exponent. So finally what will get? 5 by 3 to the power 4. Now you can solve this part. So 5 by 3 to the power 4 means what? 5 by 3 we have to multiply how many times? 4 times. Why? Because the exponent is 4 here. So 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 5 by 3. Now multiply all the numerators. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 5, 625. So finally we'll get 625. Now all the denominators we have to multiply. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 3, 81. So this is your final answer. Now let's come to this question. Question number 4. What is given here? 9 by 8 to the power minus 3 into 9 by 8 to the power 2. Again it is in the same form. A by b to the power m into a by b to the power n. So what is our question here? 9 by 8 to the power minus 3 into 9 by 8 to the power 2. So what we'll get here? This is in the form of a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n. So and here multiplication is there, so both the exponent will be added. So how much it will become? 9 by 8 to the power minus 3 plus 2. Okay, both the exponents are being added here. So minus 3 plus 2, how much you will get? Minus 3 plus 2, 9 by 8, and minus 3 plus 2, you will get here what? Minus 1. Now 9 by 8 to the power minus 1. Okay, you can see here exponent is in minus. So to make the exponent in plus form, what we have to do? This denominator we have to bring into numerator, and numerator we have to bring into denominator. Then this minus sign will change into plus. So it will become what? 8 by 9 to the power 1 means 8 by 9 only. Power 1 means what? That much only. 5 to the power 1 means what? 5 only. So similarly 9 by 8 to the power 1 is equal to how much? 9 by 8 only. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now let's deal with question number 3, first part. Okay, this is given 5 by 9 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 5 to the power minus 3, and 3 by 5 to the power 0. Earlier I have told you that any number, if there will be any number, if exponent is 0, then it will become what? 1. I have discussed already. I have discussed. If you have not seen my previous video, then you can see. Okay, so this overall it will become 1 only. So we don't have to worry for this part. This will become 1 only. Now rest these two parts we have to deal. Okay, now okay, so let's deal with this problem. What is our question? 5 by 9 to the power minus 2 into 5 by 3 to the power 2. Oh, sorry, by mistake I have written another question. So this is our question. 5 by 9 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 3 by 5 to the power 0. So first of all this will become 1, and this part it will become 9 by 5 to the power 2. I have told you already that whenever in exponent there will be minus sign, then it will become plus. How? By reciprocating it. So the numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So 5 by 9 has become 9 by 5, and this minus sign has become plus sign now. Now here 3 by 5 to the power minus 3. So it will become 5 by 3 to the power 3. Okay, and this part is your 1. So how much will get here? 9 by 5 into 9 by 5. 9 by 5, its exponent is 2, so we have multiplied 2 times. Again same way, 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 5 by 3. Why we have multiplied 3 times? Because exponent is here 3. Now you multiply all the numerators and all the denominators. Okay, now 9 into 9, how much you will get? 81. And now 5 into 5 into 5, this 3 numerators if you will multiply, how much you will get? 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. And this part 9 into 9, we have got 81. So 81 into 125, you will multiply and see what you are getting. Now in the denominator, 5 into 5, again 25, and 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. And again whole you will multiply and you will see what you will get. Or another way you can do. How you can do? By another way, or simply you can cancel this part. This 5 will be cancelled. Again this 5 and this 5 will be cancelled. Okay, so in numerator what we are getting? In numerator we are getting 9 into 9 into 5, and in denominator how much we are getting? This 3 into 3 into 3. Again this 3 can be, this 9 and this 3 can be cancelled. Now this 3 and this 9, 3 3 is a 9, we can cancel. Again this 3 and this 9, 3 3 is a 9, can be cancelled. Okay, and again this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled. Okay, now so finally in the denominator everything is cancelled, and in numerator what we are getting? 3 and 5. So finally how much we are getting? 15. So this is your answer. Got it? So I hope this is clear to you. See you in the next class. Thank you.